again mga katropa sa YouTube. Ito na naman ang inyong DJ hindi pala, Kuya Nestor, and welcome sa aking channel where I make things simple. Kung kayo ay may mga videos na ginamitan nyo na ng copyrighted music, kung kayo ay may upload ng mga movie trailers, at kung kayo ay may mga video clips from TV shows and sports channels, kung may mga content sa inyong channels na hindi kayo ang original na may-ari, at kung kayo ay mayroong mga videos na may copyright claim, itong video na to ay para sa inyo. Alamin kung ang paggagamit nyo sa mga ito ay naayon sa tinatawag na Fair Use Policy. Pasensya na lang po kung meron kayong naririnig sa background ng mga ingay, particularly animal sounds, kasi nasa malapit tayo sa farm. So ngayon pag-uusapan natin ang fair use of copyrighted materials. Since we're talking about copyrighted materials, magsimula tayo sa copyright. Disclaimer, ito ay malawak na usapin. So, ang i-cover ko ay yung basic essence nito para makatulong sa atin na maiwasan ang copyright issues sa ating mga in-upload na YouTube videos. Let's define what copyright is. So, ito ay isang batas na nasa ilalim ng intellectual property law. Ito ay naglalayon na bigyang proteksyon yung karapatan ng may-ari doon sa kanyang original work. Ang sakop ng copyright basically ay tatlong areas. Ang area ng literature, arts, at saka science. Itong mga example na to, it falls under those three areas. So anong klaseng protection ang ibinibigay ng copyright law dun sa mga copyright owners? So dalawa yan. Protection ng kanilang economic rights and moral rights. So let me give you an example to be clear. If you would search a movie on YouTube, example, Aquaman. Now, you cannot watch the video pag hindi mo binayaran. You either purchase it or rent it. Kunyari nag-upload ako on the same video, mangyayari niyan, viewers will be able to see it without paying. So, yung may-ari, he's losing money. So that's an infringement on his economic rights. Or let's say, ginamit ko yung movie or part of the movie in such a way that it is damaging to the moral well-being ng may-ari, and that's an infringement on his moral rights. Okay? So, hindi naman nangangahulugan na hindi rin natin pwedeng gamitin yung mga copyrighted materials. Meron tayong provision ng batas na tinatawag na fair use. And ito ay nagbibigay permiso sa limited na paggagamit ng isang copyrighted materials. Again, emphasis on the word limited. Na without having to ask permission first from the owner. And provided yung paggamit, it does not infringe his rights. Some uses na pwedeng i-consider fair, hindi siya limited dito, pero ito yung pinaka-common, is we use it for education and teaching, scholarship. Now, in YouTube movies or videos, usually, ang ginagawa nila is they do a review, commentary or criticism, or even a parody. Ito kasi yung safe na paggamit ng copyrighted materials. Pero hindi nagtatapos dito. There are still other measures in place para masiguro na fair yung paggagamit ng material. And essentially, ito yung apat na ginagamit na criteria to evaluate fair use. Unang-una yung purpose and character. So, kung yung paggamit mo ay naayon sa purpose na nabanggit kanina, yung allowed na paggamit, at saka yung kaparaan and the manner of use ay naayon dun sa purpose, then, number 1, check. Number 2, yung nature ng copyrighted material. May mga material kasi na work of fiction or it's a factual work. Merong published or unpublished. So, yung paggamit mo, they also have to check it in line with the nature of copyrighted material. Pangatlo is yung portion or amount taken from the material. Let me give you another example. So PBA or NBA, if they would show the top 10 plays, probably that's just about 2 or 3 minutes, possibly even shorter. Now, let's say gumawa ka ng version mo ng top 10 plays of the PBA. 10 minutes siya. Eh kung yung PBA mismo is just about 2 minutes, 10 minutes, that's not fair use. You are getting a substantial amount from the original material na ginagamit mo siya not according to yung tamang gamit. So, that's not fair use. Okay? And then, of course, yung paggamit ba, anong klaseng effect yung nabibigay niya dun sa owner? Is it infringing again on his economic rights or moral rights? So, yung mga re-upload na it doesn't fall under yung allowed or permitted limited use ng material, outright, that's a violation of copyright law. So, evaluate nyo po yung inyong mga channels, yung mga videos, kung yung gamit nyo ay nagfo-fall dun sa nabanggit ko kanina. At saka pag in-evaluate natin using this criteria, pasado ba siya? Kung hindi, take the necessary actions. Okay, so may mga questions related to some videos na na-upload na, for instance, cover. Kasi sa music policy, yung isang cover, pag yung kanta ay may policy na hindi mo pwedeng i-monetize yung may-ari ang makikinabang, then what you need to do is don't monetize it. Don't monetize it. Even yung mga videos nyo na linagyan nyo ng music background na ang material ay copyrighted, I suggest do not monetize them. Okay? Para maiwasan yung gulo. Tsaka yung mga video clips and materials na hindi original sa inyo, basta na lang in-upload, at especially may copyright claim, take it down para safe. Yun po yung suggestion. Now, in order for you to improve your chance of getting approved pag monetize nyo or avoid any future issues, ito yung mga suggestion ko. Create and upload more original content. Now, according to experts, at least 50%, iba-iba yung sinasabi, but some would say 50% dapat yung content ay original. Gawa nyo. Right? And then, upload kayo ng video na related naman dun sa theme ng inyong channel. Kung ang theme nyo is about cooking, then most of the things you should put there are related dapat sa cooking. Or if it's about travel, then it's about travel. May creative kayo, i-enhance nyo yung inyong channel. Let's say, marunong kang mag-gitara, don't just do cover. Do a tutorial. Improve mo siya kasi, let's say, hindi mo man ma-monetize yung cover. Kung magaling ka doon, possibly another way is magkakaroon ka ng sponsor kung magaling ka. It's a sponsored video or channel yung gagawin mo. Or, okay, to improve further, kailangan gumawa ng research. Alright? So, evaluate nyo po yung inyong mga channel and see kung mayroon kayong mga materials na hindi original sa inyo and do the necessary action if it does not fall under fair use yung paggamit nyo. Alright? Sana nakatulong to. And kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, mag-click na kayo. Also, hit that bell para ma-notify kayo. Check also my previous videos if you haven't seen them, especially yung mga kinalaman sa music policy and Creative Commons. Alright? Thank you very much and